What's up with you, YouTube? I got another one for you today. Today I'm gonna be shooting my Remington 12 gauge automatic shotgun. Alright, here it is. My Remington 12 gauge automatic 1187 Sportsman Field. Think it's gonna be like $800. Well, a little over $800, but that ain't bad for what you get here. I don't had it like 3 years now. Shot many rabbits with this thing, man. I'm talking about many. Thing still shining in the butte, man. Remington 12 gauge automatic, man. That wood grain on it though, man. That's what make it pop. I always been a fan of that wood grain. I did add a little dot on it, as you can see. A little bit cooler. Easier to shoot that way too. You can see this pretty good. Other than that, man, this thing still look like it's fresh out the box, man. Finna go out here and shoot some jugs or something with it, man. Cause it ain't been shot in a while and it's that time. Start bringing all my guns out and at least shooting them at least once a week, you know. Cause right now I just got guns piling up that I shoot and put them up and I don't see them no more. Finna go out here and let this thing rip, man. Yeah, on over there. Know what you doing over here anyway. Jump that fence. Come on. Come on. Come on, big boy. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Y'all think y'all can just walk out this thing when y'all want to and come back? Huh? Huh? We gotta do something about that, Pop. These things just walking straight out and coming back in, man. Big Angus. Alright, you guys, I'm back out here with it, with the big boy. And we finna let the big 12 rip, man. Shooting at some water jugs, man. See what this thing gonna do. Well, I know what it do. I'm finna show y'all what it do. I'm gonna start that over, but I'm gonna keep this in the video so y'all can see it though. Alright, I'm back with it. I had to sit them on the ground cause like it went balanced right there. You see what happened. So we finna shoot them on the ground. This mug got some hit to it, but my shoulder gonna hurt. My shoulder is gonna hurt from this thing here. But the mug got some hit to it though. But anyways, man, that was my 12 gauge automatic. I just had to come make a video for y'all. It been raining and it's about to rain now. So I just had to come out here, get some quick action for y'all, you know. And that's it. Y'all like, subscribe, stick with me, and make sure you subscribe, man. I'm out.